Daniel.
So it looks like this used to be the zoo in Jamaica. We're not sure if it's still operational. Doesn't appear to be. Parking lots have grown over. Oh, there's our first zoo animal. The wild manatee. There's a playground back there. So this was probably really beautiful in the day. This is a mall pit. They mine. Be a great movie set. We hear music. Or are they just working? So it looks like they're down here doing some work. I can ask the guy about what's going on.
Show them that you love to walk around. And I'm the reasons, but we love us with. We got so much strong. This love is a truth, yeah. And we've got the fruits to grow, yeah. That's the life of a wild guy from our sides. We try to divide. Now, people don't try things. Some find pleasure in smile.
So, what's going on here?
Alright, so good morning and welcome to Jamaica Zoo. So we're going to walk us for registration, alright?
So what kind of zoo is it, and what's the fee and all that?
When you walk across, we're going to walk across and somebody's waiting in the registry for you. So you can fill the application.
All right.